Hello. First topic, Magic Media. We can create compelling images from simple descriptions. Magic Media has limitation. Canva Pro for educators and teams offers 500 credits per month, while free users receive 50 lifetime credits. If you are using Canva Pro, you will see your credits and the date they'll be refreshed at the bottom. If you are a Canva free user, you will also see your credits at the bottom. I have only 13 credits left. Let's look at an example. If we write a simple description like a cat on the sofa, we'll get basic images. If we add emotions, the images will be a bit nicer. But if we describe everything in more detail, including the time of day, emotions, room settings, the images will be even more expressive. We can even write unrealistic prompts to get unrealistic images. At the top, you see the prompts I used for these images. Here is another example. Here are a few more examples. Maybe you'll like these photos and want to try these prompts too. We can also incorporate styles. For example, here I included the theme of Impressionism. What beautiful photos I got! Magic Media has 3 styles. The first style is photography style. The styles are constantly updated. Here we see the prompt I used. All the photos with the same prompt, but different styles chosen. The second style is digital art. We see the photos are quite different. The third style is fine art. And here are the photos I got. It's crucial to express your thoughts clearly. I wanted mystical, supernatural beings, so I wrote this prompt and I got these photos with a woman. Then I changed just one word. Instead of her body, I wrote the creature's body, and I got mystical photos just as I wanted. It's essential to express your thoughts clearly. Here I am sharing the prompt structure I found online. We see what's needed to write a good prompt and get the most impressive photos. Now let's go to Canva and try it out. On the Canva homepage, I click on Social Media and Facebook Post. Then create blank. Let's go to the left menu and select Apps and type Magic Media and choose it. First, we have to describe. If we don't have ideas, we can click Inspire and use Canvas inspirations. Next, we see the styles: photography, digital art, fine art. If we don't know which style to choose, we can leave it as none and Canva will choose for us. A bit lower, we can choose the size. We see there is square, landscape, and portrait. I am not selecting a style. I'll leave it as square and click Generate. And here are the 4 photos generated. If we want to save the photos, we have to click on them. So we need to click on all the photos, and the photos appear in Uploads and Images. We see our photos. We can also write in our language. For example, my language is Lithuanian, so I can write in Lithuanian. I copy the Lithuanian text and click Generate Image. Here are the photos I got. If I write the same prompt in English, we see the photos are of a very similar style to the Lithuanian ones. So you can also try writing in your native language. We can also create videos. We can search for inspiration or enter our prompt and click Generate. At the bottom, we see the limits. Canva Pro has 50 credits per month, while Canva free users have 5 lifetime credits. I'll try it with Canva Pro. I'm clicking Generate Video. We see it will take 1-2 minutes, so I'll speed up the video. And here we have the video. We can click on it and play. Now I'll share some free websites where you can search for AI-generated photos or generate them yourself. The first page I really like is Leonardo AI, and you need to register for this page. Since I already have an account, I click Launch App, and now on the page, we'll see many AI-generated photos. We can click on our favorite and download it. And you can go back to Canva, open the downloaded folder, and upload the photo to Canva. Let's go back to the Leonardo AI page. Here we also see the prompts. We can copy them and paste them into Canva's Magic Media and see what Canva generates. Here are the beautiful photos we got. And let's go back to the Leonardo AI page. We can search for inspiration, but on this page, we can also generate photos. On the left side, click Image Generator. We have 150 tokens per day. For example, I'll try to enter the same prompt and click Generate. And we see it used up 8 tokens, and we need to wait a bit. And we see the beautiful photos generated. We can click on the photo and download it. Or we can click on the photo and copy it and go back to Canva and paste it. I'll upload more photos. And here we see the photos from Leonardo AI. All the photos you generate on this page, you will find them on this page below. Another page where you can search for inspiration and download photos is lexica.art. And here you will find many AI-generated photos. We can choose a photo we like. We can download the photo. We also see the description. We can copy it. We can copy the prompt. We can go back to Canva and generate in Magic Media. We see photos were generated with this prompt. I'll upload a photo from lexica.art, and we can compare the photos generated by Canva's Magic Media. On the lexica.art page, we can also just enter a keyword, type nature, and we see how many nature's photos we have. We can click on the one we like, download it, or copy the prompt, or we can click on the keyword, and then more photos with the chosen keyword will open. So on this page, we can find a lot of inspiration and useful keywords, prompts. That's all about Magic Media and free websites. Next, let's look at a few more options available in the Canva program for generating photos. If you want to learn more about Canva Magic possibilities, I prepare a very interesting course. Course you will find on courses.studuma.com. This course is prepared for both Pro Canva users and Free Canva users, as we will learn how to achieve every pro magical capability with the free version of Canva. You will learn many tips and tricks, and I will share with you many free page links for resources. I have put all my experience and all the useful advice I have gathered into this course. I hope these tutorials will inspire you, so I invite you to this course and hope to see you soon.